Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So it's a really great news for all Polygon holders, my brother. After a very long time, Polygon will wake up and starting going the moon now. Yes, absolutely, my friend. All holders are starting selling because the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, holder cannot hold it, especially short-term investor. But today, my brother, everybody knows this. Today will moving upward again now. So I am so happy to see this. And absolutely, this is last one-day chart and 3.13% the price is increased, and the highest price 1.14 USD dollar, and you can say the current price is 1.13 USD dollar. So it means, my brothers, this time Polygon is completely in the profit, but definitely, my friend, they will give you a very good profit, but if you hold it now. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, at the end they will give you a very good profit. So let's see to what they do, but hold up, please remember to subscribe this channel for more latest update and news. And I'm 100% sure I will give you guarantee, my brothers, at the middle of month they will wake up and they will give you a profit. This is possible because I already, my friend, research about this coin to what can there is a chance, what say experts. So experts say, my friends, to at the middle of month they will move upward, and the start of month every coin very badly falls down, but at the middle of month they will moving upward. So let's see to what they do, but kindly subscribe this channel and like the video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.